Hey everyone, quick update on where I am with my positions. Today's March 8th, Monday. Before I get into my actual positions, again, a quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Please do your research elsewhere. Quick update on my positions. I did buy some additional ARKK shares today. I was also debating potentially calling on the 100 shares in my call, but I did not. I still have both shares and a few calls. The calls are all expiring January of next year, so these are long dated calls. Still have QQQ. I also do have exposure to blockchain, so BLOK, which is my exposure to Bitcoin and the companies that are actively buying Bitcoin or have Bitcoin in their balance sheets. The overall ETF was down, but I still like this ETF and I might actually add to this ETF if it continues to fall. Still have my SQQQ puts, which is about 7% of my portfolio. I might close it in a couple weeks if the market continues to remain choppy. Same with TECS, which is the 3X Tech Bear ETF. I still have less than 0.5% in a real estate ETF, puts via a real estate bear ETF, so I have a bullish position on this one. Energy has been doing really well, so it's almost 1% of my portfolio. I have exposure to energy via puts on ERY, and it's done amazingly well. I think I'm close to 100% up on that position, which is great. I still have some ARKG calls which are not doing that well, and biotech 3x ETF LABD have exposure to biotech, a bullish exposure via puts on LABD. Volatility actually was very interesting today because it did go down pretty significantly and then it came back up towards middle of the day. And after hours it's down slightly, but overall it's still a positive position for me and I have exposure to this via puts on UVXY. I also have a little bearish exposure on the semis through SOXS, which is the 3X semiconductor bear ETF. I did lower that position today, so I sold some shares in that ETF. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.